Well, let's return to that story of the Health Secretary, Matt Hancock. You remember he's been pictured embracing an aide and breaking those social distancing rules of the time that was back in early May. We're going to go over to Mark Kleinman now, who's got some breaking news on this, and it involves, Mark is on the phone with us. Mark, it involves Gina Coladangelo's brother and a string of NHS contracts, doesn't it?
Yes, that's right. What I can reveal today is that a relative, in fact, the brother of the Whitehall director, alleged to have had an extramarital affair with Mr. Hancock, is an executive at a private healthcare company which has won a string of NHS contracts. Now, Roberto Coladangelo, who I understand is Gina Coladangelo's brother, is the Executive Director of Strategy and Innovation at Partnering Health Limited, or PHL Group, which specialises in the provision of urgent and primary care services to NHS patients. Now, there's no suggestion that PHL Group or Mr. Coladangelo has acted improperly in the procurement of government contracts. PHL is declining to comment so far on further details of those contracts, while the Department of Health and Social Care has been approached for comment. Nevertheless, this disclosure will risk deepening the crisis engulfing Mr. Hancock today. He's already been left weakened, of course, after allegations about his competence at tackling the COVID-19 pandemic that have been made in recent weeks by Dominic Cummings, Boris Johnson's former top advisor. As we know, Mr. Hancock said earlier today that he had let people down and was very sorry, with the Prime Minister saying he considered the matter closed. But it may be the case that the disclosure of Mr. Coladangelo's company's relationship with the NHS does make it more difficult for the health sector and, in fact, the government to shut this story down.